Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Carbonwurks HQ for another instalment on this E92 M3. You have seen it before, those of you that are watching the channel, so this I think is about the third instalment for Andy on his car. So really loving the ownership of it, wants to get some more bits done. So a few subtle modifications today. First things first, we've got a pair of side skirts to go on, so that should hopefully add a bit more stance and aggression to the car to tie in with the front splitter that we've already added. And then second to that, we've got some wheel spacers to go on to bring the track width out to match the side skirts we've got going on. He may have also convinced himself on one of our other products whilst he was here this morning, but we'll leave that one under wraps until he makes his mind up on it. And my apologies for the general state of the workshop. There's bits of French car everywhere. That's another project on the go, which again we'll keep under wraps until it launches on YouTube. But it's a nice little project that I'm just filling in between, got little jobs on, and then I'll be back on that this afternoon. So without further ado, I'll get stuck in, should I say, get the wheels off, and then look at getting some skirts on, and then I'll show you what the end result looks like in a bit. And there we have it. That's E92 visit number 3 complete. So as you can see, we've now got side skirts on which complement the front splitter really nicely. We've got a very similar profile, so that brings it round to the rear of the car, which is nice. And then to match the new width of the side skirts, we've got the wheel spacers, 13mm at the front, 16mm at the rear, fill the arches nicely, all the corresponding elongated bolts, etc. Everything fitted, talk to spec. And Andy's ready to go, so hopefully he'll take it away, enjoy it some more, and potentially return for a secret little G-series based upgrade if we can massage the numbers right for him. But yeah, otherwise that's another one bites the dust on this one. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm sure there'll be one on this car. In the meantime, like, share, subscribe would be most appreciated. And yeah, thanks again for watching.